आपको बैंक या एटीएम में परेशानी होती है तो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखें और सीखें हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश कॉन्फिडेंटली।
Buddy, I came to bank for the first time. No problem. I am here with you. How do you take out cash from ATM? How do you take out cash from ATM? First, put your card inside the machine. Okay. And then what do I do? Screen will show enter pin. Screen will show enter pin. What does pin mean exactly? PIN is a secret number. PIN is a secret number. Oh, I understand. What do I do next? Now choose the withdraw option. Now choose the withdraw option. What does withdraw mean? Withdraw means taking money from account. Withdraw means taking money from account. Oh, how much I can take out? Type the amount you need, then confirm. Type the amount you need, then confirm. And when does the cash come out? As soon as you confirm, cash comes out. Wow, this is very easy then. Always take a receipt. It keeps you safe. Always take a receipt. It keeps you safe. What is written on the receipt? Your balance and transactions detail. Your balance and transaction detail. What does balance mean? Balance means how much money is left. Balance means how much money is left. How do I check my balance? Choose balance inquiry option at ATM. Choose balance inquiry option at ATM. Now let us talk at the bank counter. Okay, let us go to the teller. Excuse me, I want to withdraw cash. Excuse me, I want to withdraw cash. Please give me your account number. Please give me your account number. Here is my account number. Here is my account number. How much amount do you want to withdraw? How much amount do you want to withdraw? I want to withdraw 5,000 rupees. I want to withdraw 5,000 rupees. Please show me your ID. Here is my Aadhaar card. Please wait, I will verify your details. Please wait, I will verify your details. What does verify mean? Verify means checking everything is correct. Oh, so they are checking everything. Yes, this is important in a bank. Oh, okay. How long will it take? Just 2 minutes. Please wait here. Thank you, I will wait here. Your details are correct. Here is your cash. Your details are correct. Here is your cash. Thank you. Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt, please? Yes, here is your receipt. Keep it safe. What is my account balance? What is my account balance? Your balance is 12,000 rupees. I want to deposit some money also. I want to deposit some money also. For deposit, you need to fill a form. Deposit and withdraw both have forms. Not for withdraw, only for deposit. Where I will get the form? You will get it at counter. Go get it. I filled the form. What do I write? Write your account number and amount. Write your account number and amount. And do I need to sign also? Yes, make sure you sign it. Yes, make sure you sign it. Done. Here is the form. Thank you. Transaction is complete. Thank you. Transaction is complete. Should I tell my PIN to anyone? Never. Always keep your PIN secret. Never. Always keep your PIN secret. Buddy, I have learned so much today. Really. Talking English at bank and ATM is easy. Talking English at bank and ATM is easy. Yes, now I can go to bank alone. Now I can go to bank alone. Keep practicing, it will become even easier. Keep practicing, it will become even easier. Tell us, do you use English at bank? Write in English. Great practice for you. Write in English. Great practice for you.